today I'm here with AFsisterwig again. I've always loved to get my AFsisterwig. When they package these wigs, it's like you're getting a little gift. I like the ribbon vibe, and you can tell I haven't taken a peek because the ribbon is still intact. And yeah, it's branded AFsisterwig. So I open the box and I see the wig. Okay, so before I get into that, let's see what else we got. I got a scrunchie, just one. Oh, they sent me like a different samples of laces because the wig that we're working with today is Swiss lace, one of my favorites. Yes, so they sent me some samples in here and I'll get to that in a bit. Then I got a wig cap, and then I got an extra elastic band. So this is today's wig that we're working with. It's a straight texture, as you can see, but it's a gorgeous Swiss lace wig. It also has fake scalp. So this is where the fake scalp starts, as you can see, and it's Swiss lace. Now, if you don't know Swiss lace, the advantages of a good Swiss lace is that it comes off invisible almost, you know. It's more undetectable and it blends in all skin tone, so bear that in mind. It's breathable and comfortable, and it's like a thinner lace. Yes, it's softer and it's way more lightweight, and it's durable because it's thinner. It's easier to like hold, and it reduces friction on the natural hair. So yeah, I'll always prefer to have a good Swiss lace. You only have to be more careful with it because it's more delicate. So like if you're going to pluck it further, it's easier to tear, so you don't want to be too aggressive with it. The hairline did come pre-plucked. It's like a 13x6 parting. I apologize for the knocking in the background. I have no control over it, guys. It's next door, so I apologize for that. There's also an extra elastic band on the inside of the wig, so can have more security. Also adjustable straps in the back of the wig, and there's a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap. It's very nicely done and it's nice and full. It's not stringy. It's full from the roots to the tip of the hair. It's 20 inches long. I don't remember if I told you guys that. And it's of a light natural color 1B. I'm going to put the density in the description box so you guys can check it out. I got 1 strand. You know, always have to do my shade check. I'm not getting any more strands right now. 1 more strand. So today I'm not installing this wig on myself. I'm going to be doing another gorgeous transformation. Also, before I jump into that, I wanted to show you kind of like the difference and the advantages of having Swiss lace. So we have like 3 different laces here. Okay, I have transparent lace, Swiss lace, and then I have regular medium brown lace, and a lot of wigs come in this. This is definitely like the thicker one. So I'm gonna start off with this. What I'm gonna do is got to beat on like on my arm. So I only got to bead this portion here like a piece. Now this is how it looks. It's melted in pretty nice because, as I said, a lot of times I get a lot of wigs with the medium brown lace and it works just fine, but it is the thickest of the 3. Okay, and sometimes you have to work overtime to have it melt a little better, more flawlessly. I'm going to put the transparent lace on my arm. I'm going to put it down to this side here. So if you look, before I got to beat, it is whiter. It can come off whiter, but once you apply your adhesive, it tends to melt down. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so this is the transparent lace. It is a little thinner and it does melt in a little bit more. I'm not sure you can tell because the camera, I wish the camera could show it up a little bit better, but here is where I concentrated the product and it looks really good, looks pretty good. This one though comes off a little bit more stiff because the material is thicker. As I said, this is a little thinner and this just kind of seeps in a little bit better in the skin. That's a transparent lace. Now finally, what we're working today with is the Swiss lace. So we're gonna put this to the test before you see already it looks so transparent and it's really thin. Definitely it's very, very flawless. It melted in very flawlessly to the skin. I hope you guys are picking that up, and that is definitely one of the reasons why I love using it. It is so undetectable. It's also very stretchy, so you want to be sure how much tension you put on it when you're applying your wig and stuff. But yeah, it's always a win for me. So you got your Swiss lace, your transparent, and your medium. And yeah, you guys can see for yourself. It's definitely a go. So now that I've shown you guys like the difference with the three, yeah, we can definitely go ahead and jump into the installation of this wig. Meet today's beauty. You've seen her face before, maybe you don't remember, but I've done her makeup maybe once or twice on my channel. Hi. Okay, so this is her before. Yeah, she just took off another wig. So now I'm going to just proceed to installing this. Today I'm actually going to be using Got2b spray, because this is going to be a short-term install. If she was going to be keeping it on for a longer period, I would have used glue, but that's not the case today. So let's go ahead and jump into this transformation. Hairline grows really low, so sometimes this can be challenging working with, because it's almost touching her brows right here, like all the way down here. So like when you're working with this, you have to be very careful on how you lay in the wig. So let's go ahead.
Lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you, that I get when looking down from this high. give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you, that I get when looking down from the sky. It's me now. Can't give up this feeling. It's me now. Can't give up this feeling. It's me now. Can't give up this feeling. It's me now. Can't give up. Cause those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I can't give up this feeling.
Now that I've applied it and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into straightening it, getting it super bone straight. I really love the way it applied. As I said before, her hairline did give me a bit of a challenge, but I managed to get it on nicely, and it's looking really nice. It melted really well. So I'm just going to proceed to straightening the hair.
Give up this feeling.
Love it. So I love the deep center part. Very nice. The hair is extremely silky. The lace melted really nicely, like so well. So I have to give them a 10 for that. If you're looking for like bomb Swiss lace, I would definitely, a bomb Swiss lace wig, I would definitely recommend this AFsisterwig to you. It's really pretty, really pretty. It's very easy to melt, very easy to melt. As you know, I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of the wig in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. If you're interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do that. Shout out to AFsisterwig again for this beautiful wig. And yeah, that's it for today's transformation, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, share this video, and I will be doing more transformations, so just stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.